Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel! So today I'm gonna show you 5 types of people during a rain. Could I just make it a little, I'm gonna make it at least 3 types of people because this camera really stops fast. So let's go! Let me show you the first one. The first one is when you have like a makeup on and there's a rain. Let me show you how it does. Okay, my makeup is so beautiful. So that took a long time with the foundation, mascara, and lipstick, and more. So you rain, better not ruin it. Okay? Let's see how you're gonna ruin it. Sorry, makeup, but I have to. Much better. Oh, I should have put makeup while there's a rain. Okay, so the second one is the one that is scared. Okay, let me show you how it is. Oh my gosh, Jessica, guess what? It's raining and I'm so scared. What should I do? You know what? I'm just gonna lay down. Yeah, gonna sleep. Stop. Who's that? I'm gonna check. You know, I'm not gonna open the door. I'm so scared. I can't even believe it. Ooh, what's that sound? Ew, okay. Relax. No. Yeah, I'm going to the mall. Wait, no. I'm going to my room. Bye. You know what? I'm home alone. Let me go to my cousin's house. Bye. So, type number 3 is, guess what? I don't really want to say that, but the one that is like somewhere that they buy cars, I guess. I didn't know what to do. Okay, so let's see how that works when they're like in a car shopping, I guess. What is it called? I forgot, but let's see. How much is this car? 100,000. Wow, why is it 100,000? I'm gonna see how much. Okay, wait. I already have a Nissan. How much is the range? How much? It's actually 100,000. Would you like to buy it? Yes or no? What's your answer? 100,000. This car even is 100,000. Wait a second. Oh, it's raining. You know what? I'm going. I don't need a car. This car is already gonna be ruined by a rain. I'm going. Bye. So guys, thank you for watching for this video. If you liked it, I know it's so bad. So, if it's bad, guys, please tell me. Okay? So, if you didn't like it, at least one of you, if you didn't comment, I will do the only thing. If you comment, I'm gonna ask you, what video should I do next? Okay? What video? Okay? So let me guess. What videos did I make? I'm going, by the way, to do in my cousin's house. That's good. So guys, make sure to subscribe. I'm just stretching. I'm going to sit. Okay. Make sure to subscribe for this video. Subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell on. Okay? Don't forget. Please, guys, I beg you. I beg you. I beg you. If you do that, I am going to sell some merch for you. I'm going to try because I don't know how. How do you sell merch? Seriously. I mean, yeah. I hope. So guys, I hope. By the way, it's raining in UAE. You already know that I am from UAE. Yes, you do. Woo. Bye. See you in next video, I guess. Bye. Time to edit. If I'm going to do this edit so good, it's gonna be so bad. You're not even gonna see an intro. Let's see if I'm gonna do an intro. Guys, don't hate if I don't have an intro, because whenever I put an intro, it doesn't work, okay? It doesn't work for me. I put it, but then it doesn't show me. Sorry, but I'm gonna tell for my sister to make me some video. Bye!